All right, so let's take a look at this Suncast plastic hose reel. I've owned this style for many years, and it does come with a 3-year limited warranty. You know that limited they always get you. So they made some changes from the one that I currently have that is pretty much ready to go in the garbage. But like I said, I've had it for many years, and I have made some repairs to it because I really like the way it works. You know, they made some changes as far as this little handle right here spins now. You know, I might make it just the longer one, just a regular one. I'll see if this one kind of like busts your knuckles when you spin it. And you know what I like about this, if you need to take it out, super easy. You just kind of pull this little trigger here and you separate it from the main body. See if he wants to cooperate. There it goes. Okay, so what's good about it, you could lube this area if you get any leaks in here. And definitely easy. Just flick this and you're pretty much done. It does come with the jumper hose. With, you know, you have your seals. And then your hose would go here. I wish they would make this a little bit, you know, like further in, because it kind of sticks up a lot, maybe about 1.5 inches or so from there. So, I mean, no biggie, but definitely one of the things that I've noticed from the one that I have, which is kind of old, the plastic on this is very flimsy. So if you have direct sunlight on it, you know, it might not last you as long. Now, one of the things that I do have on mine is a 3/4 inch hose. So it weighs a lot more than your 1/2 inch or your 5/8. And they don't recommend only 5/8, but I really love my 3/4 hose, and that's what I'm going to be using. But just to let you know, 5/8, it's, see already, took a little chunk out of my skin, plastics. So some of the edges, these edges are okay, but definitely, all right. So I've called them in the past and I told them, hey, why don't you make the plastic a little thicker, you know, a little bit more durable. This is actually thinner than the one that I have. Or even make it out of, you know, maybe aluminum or stainless steel, something that, you know, will last you a little, you know, a little bit longer. Okay, so let's take a look at the receiver part, which I love. I love this one here. And it has a little roller, so you could pull your hose. Okay, and it comes with mounting screws. So those come with the little instruction manual. You have your anchors and you have your screws. All right. So here you will put your hose, screw it in, run it through this little section here and down here, and then into your hose. Okay. So let's go ahead and install it, see what it looks like. All right, guys. So this is the one that I told you that I've had for many years. I've basically fixed it here. It cracked there, but this is probably, I don't know, 13 years old or so. All right, so, you know, I made an extra hole here because this one cracked, so you should have one here and one here instead of just one up here and one down here. Obviously, the weight of my hose is a little bit more, but, you know, these two are the same. As you can see, this is pretty old and it's already stiff. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and use whatever it came with. It also comes with a little extra, you know, a lubricant for future use. All right, so in my case, I already have the hose, but if not, then you're going to go ahead and open the hose before you put this in. Let's go ahead and put the hose in. Make sure it has the seal on it. You're gonna put it inside the little crack there. I recommend don't tighten it until you're done at least installing all the screws. Make sure you don't pinch the hose. Well, like I mentioned before, this is my old one. And the good thing about it is you could just push it in lock it, and it has the handle. It's built a little tougher, still flexy, but this is, like I said, about 13 something years old, and I am using the 3/4 inch hose, which is, you know, not what they recommend, so it holds a lot of water, and then the weight with the time will actually, you know, push it down, and that's what happened to my, you know, the other main piece that cracked multiple times. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hose and put it on the new cover. I'll go ahead and install it. Very simple. Make sure it's on the outer section. Spin it, make sure it locks in. Tug on it a little bit, make sure that it's in there. Okay, perfect. So find yourself where the hose gets connected to. So I like these better because they're smaller. They don't have that big bulky piece. Run it through the bottom. You're gonna install it, and then you might want to tighten just a hair, not too much. So later on it doesn't get loose and you start leaking water, you know, to make sure that if it does leak, it doesn't leak at least from where you put the hose connected. Just a little bit, not too much. All right, that's good enough. All right, let's go ahead and reel it in. And kind of guide it, you know. See, if you use these stiff parts of the hoses, let's see if I put it in, see how the hose sticks out that way. So that's why I kind of pulled it away, so the hose now could go in to the nice, you know, a roll there. Then just guide it a little bit, organize it. All right, I wish that this would be just a little handle. This, what's good about it, doesn't stick out much. I guess this works. It's fast, but you see it slips out of your hand, so you have to grab it not this way, kind of this way. No biggie. I like the other one a little bit better. You got more leverage. One good thing that I like to add to my hoses, these stainless steel quick disconnects. Pretty cool. Just go like that. Great. You put these on your pressure washer, anything. Change it quick if you need to. Love it. Okay, and that's pretty much it. There you go. All right, so far so good. Yeah, it is a little soft, you know, so you have direct sunlight, then, you know, it might not last you as long. It's got the 3-year warranty from defect. Make sure you don't load it up. Let the water out when you're done so you don't have that extra weight. And, you know, easy, swap it out if you need to remove it for whatever reason. I like these because they don't stick out of the wall much. So that's the reason why I keep on buying these. And I need the pressure. This is where I clean my pool filter. And on the other side, I have one of those retractable ones with the spring. And, you know, they come only like 5/8 and 1/2 inch hose. And they don't have enough pressure to clean my filter. So that's why I keep on buying these. You know, they're close to the wall. They look neat. And it works.